Hey guys, welcome back to DXB Crypto. So in today's video, one day out from the rate cuts, which were absolutely phenomenal, absolutely aggressive, exactly what we needed. The market is taking off. Bitcoin has reacted extremely well to it. We're at 62,000 and some change, and things look absolutely rosy. If you look at the time, if you look at the RSI over here, over the month, it's absolutely at the bottom. That means we're coiling up for big things in October, November, election year. At the very least, I can say Bitcoin dominance has now reached pretty much at a very high level. We'll wait for that to break down. And you can see here the total crypto market cap has gone up. RSI has bottomed. Total 3 is emerging. And we can see Total 3 is testing this downtrend. And hopefully it finishes, it starts climbing over that and gets over the descending channel that it's been in for a very long time. Now, in terms of the next rate cut, it's 49 days away, guys. The printing ain't going to stop. Can't stop, won't stop. And what an irony. Diddy is actually locked up. But there is a question I want to answer for you. I'm not making a video just for the sake of it. I want to help people. So here's what I want to do. I want you to think about your portfolio, and I want you just to understand what you're accumulating, because if you don't know what you're accumulating, you could actually be lost. So if you look at the top 100 and you have already some good eyes on the likes of Sui at $3.6 billion market cap at 135, I wouldn't enter Sui right now. It's not undervalued anymore. I think it's overheated. I would wait for a pullback. Ondo, just under $1 billion, 65 cents that it climbed to today. Could you still buy some Ondo? Yeah, because it's well below. You could get it at 54, 55 cents, but Ondo seems a better buy to me, for example, than Sui. Could you buy Bread? Bread is under 10 cents. Just climbing up to 8 cents 11, and 800 million. I think you could buy Bread. I think Bread goes way higher than that. But for example, the total value in terms of where the psychological price point is, for me, the cutoff point there is 10 cents. All right. So this is the top 100. Mantra is over $1. I wouldn't even think about it. Below $1, I'm interested. Do you see what I'm doing, guys? Trying to help people just to understand what value means. Let's get Kaspa. Kaspa here, 80 million volume, 17 cents. Literally just coming back from the crazy situation with the just smashing through all of the transactions on the KRC20. So I would like Kaspa to come down if I was looking to buy Kaspa. So that's the way I would consider value. Okay, so if anyone's telling you right now, is there value in the market? Of course there is. Then I would go slightly out and look at this 1 to 200. You may not see all the projects over here, guys, but we've got stuff like Layer Zero. We've got stuff like Layer Zero that we need to think about with very low circulation. You got Pepe coin over here, big up Pepe coin, smashing up, getting up to $3. I mean, you've had chance to buy Pepe coin for a while. Right now, the mainnet for basedai is about to launch, and as a result, I think Pepe coin is still under $3. So yeah, if you are looking for something that has burn, that's undervalued. Aerodrome has run, but Aerodrome, I've actually used Aerodrome quite a bit now. Under $500 million. Again, not the highest of returns, but I still believe Aerodrome does a solid 10x from here, potentially more. And you go through this list, guys, and you will find absolute gems everywhere. This is not a case of, crypto is going to go past me because we're seeing a 6% surge or 20% surge. Look, Cubic is under 2,000 per billion. It's actually 1,700 per billion. Undervalued. I'd grab $1 billion there. Let's have a look at API 3. API 3 is not something that I hold, but it's a very good project and still hasn't really rocketed that much. I'm noticing some of the AI tokens have not moved yet. PAL AI over here, 6% up, 19 cents. Very strong reaction. It was sitting at 16 cents for a while. AGI at 12 cents, still under 15 cents. Ideally, I would only buy AGI below 10 cents, but those days might be, that window might be closing very fast. basedai or AGI under 10 cents, basedai under $4. Ideally, if it comes back down to 350 or below, I think it's a decent accumulation point, and then you start spreading your orders down. So I don't buy this notion or this idea that there is no value in the market. I think what you're doing is you're watching the green candles, and there are two camps. There are either those who want lower or those that think it's too expensive. The question is, what is your value? And if you look at this, IXS swap, $100 million in valuation right now. Neiro, there were two Neiros. This has just climbed over. I think this goes to $1 billion. This meme coin is solid. And in terms of my very own convictions, you know, you've got the likes of alephium, still sitting at a very, very good buy zone. And overall, guys, I would consider DCA'd into this market as soon as we start to see a bit of a cool off, right? Got GPU here, 71, still way underway. So look, you get the point. The point is this, guys. Do not worry too much of where the prices right now are. What you need to look at is a suitable market cap with a, you know, instead of just the price alone. Just because you saw something at a particular discount, it doesn't mean that the price is going to be the same. You know, just because you had a relationship 5 years ago with someone doesn't mean they're the same person. And most people just miss out on altcoins because once upon a time they saw them cheap. But listen, smash a like, guys. I hope you find plenty of value in what I'm trying to say to you. There will be a cool off. There will be a cool off in the next few weeks, but it will be very you know, it would be very small. And I think we did one last time just for a quick retest and onwards and upwards. Bitcoin doesn't agree to that. We're in a super cycle. I'm incredibly bullish. I'm very lucky to be here with you guys, but just being in this market for many, many years has taught me one thing, and that is if you're looking for value, you will find it. If you want to FOMO, you'll get wrecked. You just have to be measured in between, guys. All right? Let me know what you think of the video. Smash a like, and I'll see you on the next one.